using this metal steel cleaning. Let's get it on. This another side. Hello guys, from this standard Longbar, we're gonna upgrade to Olympic size Longbar. Let's do this. Come on. Here it is after the cutting. Now we need to do some welding on it. Let's get on. Alright guys, here it is after the welding. Let me show you. And now we're going to paint it and some finishing job. After we grind it and the sanding, now we'll do the painting. Yeah, just stand by. Alright, the painting's done, so let's wait for a little bit to dry completely, and let's see. And finally, we have done the standard size Longbar, upgraded to a Olympic size Longbar. Let's check it out. Cool. This is gonna be awesome. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want it, if you like it, please. If you love it, please subscribe. Thank you.